Conversational AI is a science project. It's not a coding exercise. This is the fifth in a 12-part series to help you think a little bit differently about conversational AI. And today I want to focus on some of the differences between a straightforward development project and building conversational AI systems, creating virtual agents that will interact with customers to reduce volume in the contact center and reduce the time that your agents have to spend with customers by automating key tasks. And this is a fantastic blend of art in design and science in squeezing the best out of machine learning technology. And that's the key. There's so many unknowns when you're deploying conversational AI. Where will the AI technology work? Can we recognize what your customers are saying with their particular language patterns in the potentially noisy environments that they're in, the different ways that they might speak about things that they need from your business? Can we understand what that means, and can we translate that into actions that will be helpful? Are customers even willing to engage with these systems? I'll cover it more later in the series, but people have low expectations, unfortunately, of IVR and chatbot systems, and sometimes they're just very reluctant to engage. So you could build something, but will people actually engage with it? And these things are dynamic, right? So the technology is evolving all the time. Your customers are evolving. Your products are evolving. Customers' willingness to engage in AI technology is changing. People are getting more used to interacting with computers using voice and chat because of their interactions with things like Alexa and Google Assistant. And just the ways they interact with each other via text and messaging, for example. So there are so many unknowns. There's a lot of knowns, but there's so many unknowns in the complexity of deploying conversational AI that I think you need to think about it as a science project, a voyage of discovery to see what can the AI technology do in your particular domain, in your particular use cases, for your customers. What are your customers willing to do? How can you nudge them? How can you engage them and encourage them to do more? And how do these things evolve over time? And as a result of all these things, I think it requires us to have a different approach to conversational AI than we might a straightforward coding and development project.